Hi everyone, this is Derek with the Kids S.A.F.E Foundation. I want to do a quick intro on how you secure your gun with a cable lock. And so I'm going to start off with this brand new Glock 47 Gen 5. And so what I'll do is I'll go ahead and open up the gun case. I'm going to go ahead and set these magazines aside because I won't need them for right now. And so my next thing I want to do is I want to make sure this gun is clear. So what I will do is drop the third magazine, and then what I would do is lock my slide to the rear. At that point, I can visibly inspect my chamber, make sure there's nothing inside there. Also check my magazine well. There's nothing. This gun is clear. Okay, so we're talking about the cable lock. We get a lot of questions on the channel about how do we secure our firearms, and so this is an option. It's not a perfect option, but it's something that'll get you through until you can get something a little bit more either tech or more secure than the cable lock. So with this, what I would do is obviously turn the key and pull out the end. You'll see an end like this. And so that's going to go back into the lock. And so I always come from the top. And so what I'll do is I'll insert this cable in there. It's going to come out the other end of at my mag well, just like this. And then at that point, what I would do is I would take the cable lock, make sure I insert it in there, and then turn the key. And now this gun is secure. Okay, so with this situation here, it's not perfect. It doesn't prevent theft, but it gives you the capability to keep that gun secure so your kid can't get hurt with it. So that's a great option for you until you can get something a little bit better. And so every gun is required to come with one of these under federal law. And so we highly encourage you that you do use some form of secure storage. So I hope this helps. We're going to be doing more videos on our YouTube channel. There's going to be more how to keep your kids safe and give you good relevant information to continue the education process with them.